Hello, Meier, DIY. Yeah, do it yourself. I'll tell you what, for a guy that doesn't work, I seem like I'm busy all the time now that I'm retired. I've heard that from other people. I couldn't believe how that could be, but maybe it's just because when we get to be 70, it takes everything. It takes us so long to do any damn thing. We keep busy. Anyway, so I've had a lot of company around lately, and 4th of July just ended. It's just July 10th now. Things are quieting down. Doing some work around the house, and I decided today it was time to think about going fishing again. Yeah, the important stuff. So anyway, I went out to get some bait, and I made a little video of me getting this bait that I use every year about this time, around middle of July. Most people don't use it any longer. When I was a kid back in Indiana, about everybody that fished for panfish used this, and some of them used it in the river for catfish, and about everything really. So anyway, this is a little short video. It's only going to take you about a minute or two to look at this. If you happen to be out and about, you see these weeds that I'm talking about, have a look at them and see if they've got a little gall on them. If they do, strip them back and get yourself some really good fish bait. These things have proven themselves year after year for a century, probably more. Nobody, like I say, nobody uses them, so they're not overfished. And everything bites them, it seems like, everything. So I'll just put this little video up. It's not going to be edited, it's just going to be stuck out there. So enjoy, keep in touch. There's a bunch of videos I'm going to put on here, mostly me playing with the kids and making a zip line and working on my car and just getting by. So hang in there, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy. Oh, by the way, I got these at the department store the other day. The last time I got glasses, I didn't want to get the ones that automatically tint, because then I can't see in the wintertime. You go out in the sun, in the snow, and then you go inside and it's like, I got these. These are great. They got all different sizes. I think they were like 14 bucks. They snap on here like this. Boom, you got sunglasses, huh? I like it. Take them off, stick them in your pocket. You go inside, come back outside. Bow. Anyway, cool little thing. Whenever I find something I really like, I like to tell everybody about it. A lot of people out there only tell you about something they don't like, but these are really cool. I wish they still had the package. I don't, but they got a little spring, as you see. Yes, they just pop apart. They just hook right onto your glasses. Like I say, they make it for all different sizes. You can just take your glasses, and they even come with a little carrying case. The carrying case probably has a name on it. Maybe I'll find it later. So that's about it. In fact, I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to make a clip of that, and so you can see it, because I really like these things. Okay, so I went out and found this. This is the little package that comes in, called Solar Shield polarized clip-ons, called Gentle Grip. I'm using this little old camera on my because it's handy. Price was $14. Actually, these were on sale. You buy one pair, you get the other pair for $1. So for 15 bucks, I got 2 of these, but I can't guarantee that they'll always be like that. I bought them at Meier's department store. I really like them. Trouble is, they're made in China, but oh well. And you can see that this pops open. Get yourself a little carrying case. Put them in there. That's what it's going to look like in the store. Let's see, what's it going to look like in the store? This is what you're going to look for. And like I say, you can pop it open right there in the store and try them on and make sure they fit your glasses, and you're good to go. I don't know about the other sizes, but these weigh hardly anything. Real thin. Great idea. Okay, I'll get on with my show you more catching my fish bait, and check with you later. Bye bye. I'm here in Michigan, southwest Michigan, and I'm getting ready to go get me some bait. And I'm going out here and see if I can find some larvae. I call them horseweed worms. They're not worms, they're larvae. What they hatch into, I don't know, but I do know they catch fish. So I'm going to go out here and see, and I'm going to let you see what I'm doing. I'm just going to go out here behind my house. I've got a couple acres here, and along the field right behind my house, and there's some horseweeds, what I call horseweeds. You tell me what they are, and we'll see if I can get some. Okay, here's the weeds. Let you get a good look at them. That's what they look like. Some of them get as tall as my head. Some of them are small like this. The worms get in about any size. I pulled one here that's got a wound on it. This is what the worms live in. And here's one that I took out. See him crawling there? He's trying to get back inside that stick I put in there, piece of weed. We'll try to do this with one hand. See if that little guy's in there. The bigger the hole, the bigger the worm. They grow inside there. After that, I don't know what happens to them. There he is right there, you see him? I don't know if you can see him right there. Sometimes if I'm sure there's worms in them, I just cut the weeds and put them in a bucket. Today I'm taking these off, as I don't know what size they are. I don't know if I got enough to fish with.